In this video, we'll demonstrate how to update the iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Keeping your iPhone 15 up to date is essential for optimal performance and to access the latest features and security enhancements. Follow these simple steps to ensure your device is running on the latest software. Unlock your iPhone 15 and locate the Settings app on your home screen. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. This is where you'll find broader settings that affect various aspects of your device. In the General settings, look for the Software Update option. It's typically the second option on the list. Tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Software Update section, your iPhone will automatically check for any available updates. If there's an update waiting, you'll see it listed here. You have two options to initiate the update. If you're ready to install it immediately, select Update Now. Alternatively, if you prefer to update while you're not actively using your iPhone, choose the Update Tonight option. If you opt for an immediate update, the process will commence right away. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has sufficient battery life. Selecting the Update Tonight option means the update will occur while you sleep, minimizing any disruption during your waking hours. Make sure your iPhone is plugged in to guarantee the process completes successfully. By following these straightforward steps, you'll keep your iPhone 15 up to date effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.